Jury selection in the trial of 3 men charged with killing Ahmaud Arbery is now entering its 3rd week.
And attorneys still need 9 more potential jurors before they can move on to that next round. News for Jack's reporter Ashley Harding is live this morning. So Ashley, we know the goal had been to reach 64 by Friday.
Yes, and meeting that goal this past Friday was definitely a long shot, but attorneys absolutely hope to get to that point by today. Now, once that happens, narrowing down to the pool will be very different. Today will mark the 10th day of jury questioning with the hope of reaching 64 potential jurors in the trial of defendants Greg McMichael, his son Travis, and their neighbor William Bronny Bryan. Attorney Randy Reep is not affiliated with the case, but explains how this works.
You have to understand that a jury is not really selected, it's picked by deselection, okay? Here's the 64 jurors that come in that are deemed fair and impartial.
A major line of questioning still centers around the cell phone video shot by Ronnie Bryan. One woman questioned as a potential juror said she'd seen it only once, but had negative feelings about Travis McMichael. She went on to tell the court, "The fact that I first saw it in the New York Times was of concern to me. There are things that needed to be investigated that hadn't been investigated." Another potential juror, a woman, had harsh words for Bryan. She told the attorneys his videotaping the scene was disgusting and vicious. However, at the same time, I'm thankful that he did because we were able to see what happened, but still very sad. Prosecutors say the 3 men chased Arbery as he was jogging through the Satilla Shores neighborhood that day. Defense attorneys say their clients reasonably believed Arbery was a burglar. Reep says once the 64 potential jurors are chosen, attorneys will start looking at those who will be open to their theories about what led up to the shooting.
Right now, I would expect that the defense is working together to make sure that they have a cohesive game plan onto the jury that they pick, because the entire case hinges on their 3 stories coalescing and agreeing.
And Randy Reep also went on to tell us, even though it is highly unusual, he believes in this particular case it is likely that the defendants will testify in their trial. Now, jury selection will resume. It's scheduled to resume at 8:30 this morning at the Glynn County Courthouse in Brunswick. Reporting live this morning, Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.